Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about the things you should not do with your facial expressions. Point number one is you should not have a blank facial expression because that just makes it seem you're not interested about the topic. You can follow my advice if you like, or you can ignore it if you want to.
The second thing you need to do is you should avoid being so over dramatic that your audience feels you're being ingenuine. You really need to tone down those expressions that you're making from your face.
The third thing you need to avoid is frowning unintentionally. Most of the times when we're a bit nervous or we don't know what we're doing, we tend to have this frown on our face, but it seems really uncomfortable for the audience. So try to get rid of the frown, have a warm smile on your face, and you'll be great. The fourth thing that you should avoid doing is using the same expression throughout your speech. You might have a nice smile when you're beginning your speech, but as you progress through your speech, try to change your emotions and your facial expressions as what you're talking about in your speech. The fifth thing that you should not do with your facial expressions is ignoring the audience reaction. In fact, your facial expressions should be a reaction to what the audience does as well. For example, let's say you're talking about a time when your professor was unjust to you. You narrate your story and the audience goes, "Oh my God, that's so unjust." And you go, "I know, right?" Now imagine if the audience says, "Oh my God, that was so unjust." And you're like, "Hey, yeah." It doesn't really match with what you're trying to say.